My name is Ted Sanders. I'm the partner and the Director of Architecture at Carlisle Associates. We're architects and engineers. It was actually a secondary effect. We sponsored the Smart Move Award at the luncheon, and with that we got a booth. We've never done this before, so we had to figure out how to do it, and here we are. Well, it's been very good for us. Of course, we've never done this before, and so we needed somebody that could take the time with us to show us what's available, kind of how you do it. They provided a lot of good information to us about just being at one of these things, because all of us had just walked by before, and now we're actually in here. It's been a very good experience for us. Well, it's not just about buying a booth. It's about helping you know what to do with it, and then showing you how the different options affect how it's perceived by people as they go by. Trying to understand the difference between the three-dimensional and a flat graphic presentation, and what attracts the eye and what annoys the eye. And that was really helpful too, because we had some pretty wild ideas when we walked in. After about the first day, we calmed down just a little bit. And hit something that was more on the mark for what we wanted to really present. That we'd learn more about doing this than just buying a booth. And we thought it was just about, they're going to show us how to do a booth and what the options are and things like that. But really there's more information there about just participating in an event like this. And that was really helpful for us. We're a full-service, fully integrated architecture and engineering firm. We specialize in industrial work. That's why we're here. We do manufacturing facilities, warehouse, distribution facilities, and we work all over the country. We're currently active in 20 states. We've done everything from a matchbook cover in size to 2.5 million square feet manufacturing and distribution. And we do everything from food service, food processing, fresh and meats and vegetables, to timber, metal stamping, plastic injection molding.